Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. In this video, we're going to put together this cute little bushel basket. It's a cute little item. This is cut at about 70% and this one's cut at 100%. So it's going to be a nice big basket. Something fun to decorate for fall with. You can put little apples in it. You could put favors or treats in it, something like that. So let's go ahead and get started putting this together. So here's our main basket piece and our bands and our handles. It's really quite simple to put together. So I'm going to move all the bands off to the side here for a minute while we fold up the main basket piece. So you're just going to take all those pieces and fold them in towards the center, and you'll notice that there's some holes in a few of the pieces here, and that's going to be where the handles go at the end. So just fold those all in one direction and give them a nice press with the bone folder. Now we're going to pull those back up and we're going to start putting our bands together. So let's start with this middle band first. You have to decide which, if you want a pattern or if you want something solid, but we're going to try a pattern on this one so we can see what that looks like. Just go ahead and fold those score marks all in one direction. And both of these pieces are identical. There's no different markings or holes or anything that you have to worry about. So what we're going to do is just you'll notice one side's fatter and one side's skinnier. So just make sure you get that lined up where it makes a nice circle. If you were to line it up the wrong way, it would be kind of wonky. Things would not be working right. So make sure that you're actually the smaller ends are on the bottom and the larger on the top, or vice versa. And then you're going to overlap the last two sections on each and just glue those together. Well, the last one section, the end sections from each. So those two pieces are going to overlap. So just like that. Okay, and then you'll just want to do the exact same thing here on this side. This is going to make a nice continuous, strong, sturdy band for us. And the bottom of our basket is smaller and it tapers larger towards the top. So you're going to want the smaller of your band down at the bottom and the larger at the top. Let's make sure that that's nice and square. Sorry, I've got to pull that apart real quick. That went a little off. Okay, so now we're going to take our basket and just set that inside, and we're going to pull that band up. Make sure it lines up with one of the sides, and it's going to come up to about the center. So you can kind of see where that's supposed to line up here. And what you can do is go around with a dot of glue and glue each one of those sections in place. So I'm just going to start here. Put a little glue behind there and just tack that down, and then move on to its neighbor. And you'll know you have it in the right area when things just line up perfectly. If there's a tiny bit of gap between, that's going to be okay. That's how a natural basket would be anyways. And just work your way around. Okay, once you have that band glued in place, we're ready to do the top band and the top band. And so we just need to glue those two together. And you will notice on this one that there are some holes. Here's one. You can see it right there. Maybe if I flip it over, you'll be able to see it better. And here there's two. Let's see, there should be another one right over here too, if I can find it. Yep, there, my machine just didn't cut it where it fell out easily, so I've got to punch that through. Okay, so you can see you've got two holes here and two holes here. So you'll notice on the side here that we've got a hole here and a hole here. So those are going to line up with the holes up at the top here, and that's where we're going to put our handle. So let's go ahead and fold all of our score marks towards the inside on these two pieces. And again, we're just going to overlap those ends to make one long strip. And you'll want to make sure again that you've got your larger gluing to the larger and the smaller to the smaller. That way it'll fit on your basket just right. Okay, so we have our band ready to go, and it might be the easiest just to pull it up from the bottom, but again, you'll need to line those dots or those holes up. So make sure you get those lined up with the right section. And then we're just going to go around this band and glue it in place just like we did that center band. So I'm going to start here where I've got some holes to line up. Make sure that that section is in the right spot. Okay, once you've got that all glued in place, we're ready to put the handles on. Look how cute it is out of the double colors. I love it. So, or the pattern paper. And I'm just training this, or you could use a little bone folder, edge of the table, bone folder, something like that to put the handles on. And those are just going to attach right here. And you could attach them from the inside or the outside, either one. I think I'll do these from the inside so it doesn't interrupt that cute pattern band. So let's just grab a couple of brads for that. And we'll just bend this other side around. Line that up. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Cute, cute. Okay. That kind of helps that handle curve around the way we want it. Oh, I need 2 more brads. I forgot I need 4. Okay. And just open those up nice and tight, and that'll hold those handles in place really well. And we are all done. And this makes a really nice size basket. You'll be able to put some cute fall decor in there or something. I would say these handles aren't going to support a lot, so make sure you handle it with care when it's full of things. But there's a couple of different looks you can get out of this cute little bushel basket. I hope you enjoy making this fun project, and we'll see you in another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.